Hey, this is Sarah. So how do you create an export file? You could do it through a report if you wanted to, or if it's already when we're in production, you could do it through Conga. So here I've created a report. I've used a report type campaigns with campaign members. The report must have the contact ID or it won't work. Then I've just thrown in sundry stuff to make it easy for us. Let's take that guy out. Take that guy out. You could put in CFY ID. Oh, let's see if we can find that CFY. Oh, I think it's student is what it's called. It's somewhere in there. But for this instance, let's just not use it. And I'm going to save. And now I'm going to run. And I'm waiting while it's loading. It's so quick, so speedy. I've saved this already into the unfiled reports. I'll also send you the link when I send the video. And I'm now going to say export details. Export details. It's let's go ahead and save us some time, and instead of getting it in XLS, let's get it as a CSV. Export. Opening up the file, and I'm going to delete this stuff at the bottom so that way I don't try to upload it. And let's say that everyone except for our friend Scarecrow was successful. And then let's say the bottom one, I forget who that is, Control V, successful being that they have the consent. Let's say our friend Tin Man, his parents or his the adults in the household drop the ball, or we drop the ball reaching out to him. All right, let's go ahead and save this guy. Just going to take a moment, and I'm going to go ahead and save it to my desktop, and I'm going to overwrite the prior file. Save. Yes, I want to replace it. That's why I clicked it on my computer. Yes, I know you don't like comma delimited Excel. I'm going to close. Thank you so much for that needless pop-up. And now I'm going to go back here to our friend the campaign. And from here, I'm going to say update add members. Yes. And I'm going to choose my file. Open. I'm going to leave the rest alone since we're not really using the status. And the ID is right there. And now I'm going to cruise down and update my consent fields. It's already chosen for me. How lovely. And I'm going to say next. Yeah, I know. I had no status. And I'm going to say finish. And when it's done, it'll send me an email saying that it's done. Oh, sounds like I just got an email. And so let's cruise on down here to our manage members. And I'm going to go to the plus sign, +6, interesting. And I'm going to edit my column so that way I could just rerun the report, or I could say, you know, let me see the columns that I'm interested in right here. So let's see, where is it? Parent consent. I'd like to see that. The status, you know, I don't really care about that. I don't even know what that is. Company, I don't need to see the school. I don't need to see the title. And parent consent, and now let's find our friend student consent. I'm going to add that guy in, and now I'm going to save. Nice. And this is, as I'd expect, Scarecrow. He is a no and a no. And our friend Tin Man is a no for the parents and a yes for a student. And that's all there